Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you the steps on how you can send Bitcoin to external wallet from Cash App. I'm going to be showing you step-by-step procedure on how you can do it. Make sure to stick with us till the end and follow the instruction as guided. In order to begin with, first thing first, make sure that the device is connected to an internet service and then log in into your account. Once you're logged into your Cash App account, you'll be directed to the home page, and this is how the interface is going to look like. Once you're on the home page, you can see right at the bottom right and center there's a dollar icon. Click on it. Next page, you'll need to select the currency that you wish to transfer, so select Bitcoin. Once you've selected Bitcoin, next page you'll need to enter in the recipient detail. You can also add a note to it, and you also need to select whether you're sending currency or Bitcoin or stocks. So tap on the Bitcoin, and lastly on the summary page you can see this kind of interface, and once you're sure about it, click on the send button located right at the bottom. In this way you can send Bitcoin from a Cash App account to your external wallet. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.